In our efforts to help business owners, network marketers, affiliate marketers, coaches, and consultants turn on a never-ending flow of targeted buyer leads, we made a startling discovery. Many people who want to increase their income are so busy trying to survive, they are unable to focus and invest in growing a business. This revelation led to our team developing the Survival to Abundance Roadmap, which is a complete financial ecosystem, so we could help people at every financial level from survival to significance. So, where are you financially right now? Are you trying to survive, living paycheck to paycheck, wondering how you'll pay for groceries, fill your gas tank, make your next car payment, or keep a roof over your family's head? If so, you're not alone. Millions of hardworking people wake up every morning carrying the same burden. Not because they don't work hard, but because the cost of simply living keeps going up. Food, gas, housing, utilities. Everything costs more. And many families are only one unexpected emergency away from financial disaster. But what if financial freedom didn't begin with making $1 million? What if it started with buying groceries without stress? What if it started by filling your gas tank without checking your bank account first? What if the first step toward abundance was simply creating breathing room? That's exactly why we created the Survival to Abundance Roadmap powered by the Powerline Team Building Engine. Not another business opportunity, not another get-rich-quick program, but a complete financial ecosystem designed to help ordinary people move from survival to stability to growth to abundance to significance, one simple step at a time. Because every journey starts somewhere. Imagine climbing a staircase. You wouldn't start by jumping to the 5th step first, you would simply take one step at a time. That's exactly how financial freedom works. Stage 1 is survival. First, we help stop the financial bleeding, reduce expenses, save money, stretch every dollar. Because it's difficult to build wealth while you're struggling just to survive. Stage 2 is stability. Once you've created breathing room, it's time to increase your income. This is where the Powerline Team Building Engine begins working for you, helping you generate targeted buyer leads, create recurring income, build multiple income streams, and replace monthly bills one at a time. Stage 3 is growth. As your income grows, your focus shifts. Now you're building businesses, learning new skills, investing, building personal ad business credit, buying assets, creating long-term wealth. This is where the Strive for 5 Wealth Library helps transform information into opportunity. Stage 4 is abundance. Eventually, you stop worrying about surviving. Now you're creating choices, financial freedom, time freedom, retirement, ownership, security, not because you got lucky, but because you followed a roadmap. Stage 5 is significance. Then something incredible happens. You stop asking, how can I change my life, and begin asking, whose life can I help change? This is where wealth becomes purpose, leadership, mentorship, community impact, generational wealth, legacy. This is the heart of the self-to-significant movement, a financial ecosystem. Unlike traditional programs, we don't solve just one problem, we solve the journey. Need grocery relief? We have a grocery club. Need help with fuel costs? We have a gas club. Need transportation? A car club. Dreaming of home ownership? A house club. Need additional income? It's time to start using the Powerline Team Building Engine, ready to build wealth. Start using the Strive for 5 Wealth Library, ready to leave a legacy. The Self-to-Significant Certification. Every piece works together, because every financial challenge deserves a next step. Your journey starts free. Every great journey begins with understanding where you are today. That's why your first 2 steps cost absolutely nothing. First, download the free Financial Relief Checklist. Discover simple ways to immediately reduce financial stress. Then, take the free Wealth Progression Assessment. In less than 5 minutes, you'll discover exactly where you are on your financial journey and receive a personalized roadmap showing your next best step, not someone else's roadmap, yours. Imagine where your life could be 1 year from today, not because everything changed overnight, but because you decided to take the first step. The road from survival to abundance isn't built in giant leaps. It's built one decision, one opportunity, one step at a time. Today, choose hope, choose progress, choose your future. Download the free Financial Relief Checklist, take the free Wealth Progression Assessment, and begin your journey. Save more, earn more, own more, give more. Welcome to the Survival to Abundance Roadmap, powered by the Powerline team building engine, because every extraordinary future begins with one simple step. You don't have to climb the entire staircase today. Today, choose hope, choose progress, choose your future. Download the free financial relief checklist, take the free wealth progression assessment, then sign up to the Survival to Abundance roadmap and begin your journey. Save more, earn more, own more, give more. Welcome to the Survival to Abundance roadmap, powered by the Powerline team building engine. Because every extraordinary future begins with one simple step. Take your first step today.